Hi guys! Good noon! Tinanghali na nag-start ng video. Well, anyway, obviously, naglalakad. I'm just stretching my legs. Ito ako ngayon sa isang rest area. We're stopping here in rest area again. Where else? And handicap, accessible. Oh, this is a good picnic table. This is the state of New Mexico. There you go. That's my view, my back view. Na-curious tuloy ako why this toilet paper has a lock. For sure, alam niyo na yun, guys. To prevent stealing, I guess. That's for sure, to prevent stealing. First time ko siyang nakita. I remember way back home, if I wanna use restroom in a department store, I cannot use it without paying the 10 peso. They have payment to use restroom. Again, I'm heading to that store. Medyo mahangin siya, magandang weather ngayon. 6:30 in the evening, mountain time. Philippine time, 9:30 in the morning. Petrified wood. This is the petrified wood is the official state fossil of Arizona. Merong kalagay dyan, oh. Is this the price for this petrified wood? 800 pounds, $3,500. Wow. And this one also is how much? $2,800. Wow. Look at the clouds. It's raining there. This is our front view. Going back to the store again because in the truck or spot, my cell phone has no signal. I will try if they have a free Wi-Fi here so that I can publish my video. I'm glad that they have free Wi-Fi, so yeah. What is that? Chocolate? Bye guys! See you next time!